Hi guys, David here from Think Renewable. Another frequently asked question from solar customers is why hasn't my bill reduced as much as I thought? And this is because of rising energy prices often in the market, especially over the last 12 months. For example, if you've installed your solar system and your previous bill was being charged at 25 cents a kilowatt hour, after installing the solar system, the energy companies' prices have been increased by, in some cases, up to 40%. And let's say your bill's now being charged at 35 cents a kilowatt hour. Although you're now using less power from the grid, you're being charged 25–30% more for the power that you are using. So what we recommend to customers is have a look at the average daily kilowatt hour consumption from the same time last year. You can't always necessarily compare it to the last bill, because the last bill may be a time of the year where you're using less power in that quarter. So for example, if you're comparing a summer bill, you should compare it to the previous summer, not spring, where you may not be using your air conditioning, etc. as much. And what we find is when customers do that, they actually see that, wow, last summer I was using 25 kilowatt hours a day. Now that I've got the solar system installed, I'm only using 15 kilowatt hours a day off the grid. However, savings can fluctuate because you may be getting charged more for that power than you were previously the year before. So although you're buying less power off the grid, you may be buying it at a higher price, and this can affect the saving result on the bill.